Somebody pick the stab my man and them just go to police or talk about a things, man, because them know she not gonna get it back. Everyone me see it, me beat it. I'm gonna tab it. Yeah. And them carry my name to police and talk a bag of things. That get me out of England. Not the woman that run over my own foot. Them people is deep. Me never even do like talk about it. That's why I never try to go back to England. Never. Everyone will go me get a fight. And watch this now. You know all that happen. Me not drinking now, but me just I tell you, me feel good. And everything, the bad times just a flow. The woman named Olive, her daughter named Erica, the woman daughter stabbed me, nearly killed my blood clot in England. Over my partner money. I know me not get that money there. We not partner them time, I'm homeless in a Britain, you know. Me a breed with my little boy, you know. The same one that come gay now, you know, Jesus Christ, Almighty God, Father God, me not gonna cry, but after that, Erica, Olive. Erica, we used to live in an Olive house. Michibu and the whole of them dinner that mix up the two. Everybody. Big true. Yo, who remember the days though? I mean, I tell you, say, I'm go for I'm on money. I call the woman about it and her daughter take the phone and I go and bad pa me, you know. So cocky police. And catch a people yard. You know, 2-1 go and 2 bad kind of know if you sleep in England. Cool. Where's the drop it from the YouTube? I you know, what's your name? Charlene room and her son room, Ricardo. And we now one partner, Oliver run the partner. One little mix up occur, and when the mix up occur, like the little daughter, she walk and fuck like she mad, you know, Erica can suck a kakia. And we did the attack and little girl take the phone and start this me up. This me up wicked. She say, hey little girl, I'm here talk to her, I'm here ramp with wait till me see her. So when me see the little girl, I tell her I'm going to the little girl, but never go to the little girl with a war. But just go to her and say, I'm here enough your mouth, man. Oh, tell me if you go do that, woman back out a knife. No man have the blade of the knife, it's you know a Jamaican that hold the knife, so. The woman have the knife, so. I'm not playing with you, you know, I'm not playing with you, you know. So same time I go and look to side and I step to it. It's when me step, one blood clot say people. Alright, that little girl knife, so me stepping up. Brother, me never must there start tattoo no now. See it, I'm gonna put a tattoo over the blood clot stab. See it? People, right as when me get the stab. So when me get the stab, me run off of the little girl and me run off of the little girl and bloop me drop a ground. When me drop a ground, me say me I got dead because me start bleed through my ears. Me can't control me push my foot them and go start ground. Boo boo. Can't do nothing, everybody start crowd me. You're this big so cocky girl now, that's why me no like your stuff. All me chat to you, me no like your dirty whore. I am donkey, cranny girl, me no like you. Me don't like you. When me there on the ground here, Steph. Oh, she got trouble little girl, she first stab off a little girl in time, me no back, no weapon. Tell us the little girl I step me, I said little girl, say I'm not playing with you now. But like when time me I step to her, me I look so, me no see what she do like little girl shoot the knife so. So me step in a little girl knife. Here Steph now. I dead me up on the ground I dead you know. Here so good cranny Steph now. Thinking Steph. Here. I see trouble little girl, I see trouble little girl. Me say everything, me say everything. Dep on the ground and I hear all of that in the people. Brother, is a white man save my life. Me not hate white people. But me just don't like how them deal with we as black people. The man come. Nobody no know nothing if they just watch me. I saw if I Jamaica me them would have dead. And the man come and say no excuse like him would have said no excuse. And the man goes so and broke the pen and go so and stab me right in the stab. It's when the man stab me in the stab. Me catch breath and I couldn't no breathe. Erica, me not tell her like Erica, my word is not last to say. Uno know what wanna do. Yeah, stab me. Just like that over my partner money. Me never go to the little girl for war with the little girl. Know what them do? For win the case, them go to the police, them take a bag of things. A police come blood clot make me know a Jamaica that dirty olive. And when they call me on the phone, they think me like, I talk to you for make me say I'm alive and well, I'm nice. Never tell nobody this yet, and now me go talk it and me talk it from the live is a policeman tell me the things I want to talk it to the police them, and it's a Jamaica police that work at the time. And you never remember, eh? When do you remember in them time when the whole Jamaica police them